And John, you're going to talk about
the EP-CORE by Exact Power.
Great.
A niche brand that Mid-Atlantic owns.
Great, thank you.
So the heart of the EP-CORE line is our isolation transformers. And in a simplest factor, what this does is take away a lot of the issues that today's integrator has dealing with the electrician and the homeowner and trying to protect equipment, especially the AV equipment in a home. The way we do that is instead of bringing 3 or 4 dedicated 20 amp circuits to where the rack is going to be, we're going to provide a 240 or 208 volt feed. This is then going to plug in. Now I have 6 20 amp branch circuits here in the rack mount version. This will then isolate all of the AV equipment away from everything else going on in the house. I have 100,000 amps of spike and surge protection. This unit also has sequencing built into it. The secondary side of our transformer is wound so that the 120 side is all in the same phase, so I get rid of phase issues. The big heart to this system, though, is that with this big grounding and bonding bus bar, as long as all of my flat panels and projectors, as long as all of that gear is powered back here with all of my source equipment and it's all bonded and grounded together, I will get rid of video roll bars and audio hum because it's all in the same ground plane.
So we could basically tell the electrical contractor on the job to bring us a 2-pole 30?
Yeah, 240 or 208 volt, whatever works.
Right.
30 amp to here.
Right.
This plugs in. Now, all of my branch circuits for my audio video gear have to come back here as well. That's the heart of the system.
Understood.
And then we can scale this from here.
We can also do another thing with our Lutron system and our phone system, and that is we can send power out.
I wouldn't put
when I say Lutron system, what I mean is just the processor, not the lighting.
I'm
just the brains.
Right. So this is the rack mount version, good for 5 kVA. We can scale this to 10, 15, and 25 kVA. That would come in a freestanding rack.
Okay.
And then we can also put our Mid-Atlantic UPSs in with that rack and then provide hardwired circuits throughout the house, spike and surge protection here, controlled here, and all in one rack.
Right.
There's some logging features and things built into here. Remote rebooting, and that is taken care of with RackLink, another product that we sell, not with this.
What are all the connections in the back? Can you tell me about those?
So that's just spike and surge connection for coax, for category type cables. You have some contact closure out here. So this is surge protection, so if we do take a spike and surge, we can tie this back into our Crestron or whatever control system.
And report it.
We have sequencing up and down, so we can sequence outlets with contact closure, operate up contact closure.
And so the model number is the EP-CORE-5R-240.
240, and then the other one is a 208.
Okay, gotcha.
208 version.
You do have a 208 version.
Correct.
Great. So that's the thing that we need to find out, 208 or 240 volt.
Right, and I would not go off drawings. I would verify that at the residence.
Okay. All right.
That does change.
Great. Thank you. Thank you all.
Yes.
All right, cool.
You're welcome.